Hi, I'm James and I have fibromyalgia and POTS. I'm quite independent with a wheelchair. I think the benefits of an autonomous vehicle are that you can actually have more freedom and be able to get out, and you'll be able to order the vehicle to pick you up from your door and take you to the door of where you're going. As a wheelchair user, I tend to need a ramp to be able to access vehicles or buildings. Also, ideally, wider doorways and automatic doors are good for me. When I went to look at the minibus today, firstly, the ramp was a little bit steep, but that was probably because there was no curb. But also, it was a manual ramp on this particular vehicle. I understand there will be automatic ramps in future. However, once I was on the vehicle, the wheelchair space was far too small. The call bell to stop the vehicle was also too far back, so I had to reach for it, which can cause problems with my fibromyalgia. I think autonomous transport, if all the vehicles were on the road were autonomous, I think it would be very safe and would allow me independent travel rather than me having to drive, which, as my condition deteriorates, becomes more difficult. And I think that manufacturing companies need to get more disabled people in at the design and the research and development stage, rather than create a vehicle and then say, what's wrong with it? It needs to be that you have input from a very early stage.